Mitraya Namaha. I am glad that you all are liking my videos. Please subscribe to VSP 1080 channel and follow Truly Spiritual, and please share it with your friends so that everyone gets benefited. And today we are going to discuss something very interesting. Out of all sense organs, eyes are considered very important, and I feel eyes are important because eyes give us vision. Not that your real eyes where you have retina and these things, not this. I'm not talking about the eyes. For benefit of eyes, you need to visit an eye specialist, ophthalmologist. But as a maxillofacial surgeon, as a Ved Sahasrapath instructor, as a spiritualist, today I'm going to talk about vision, right? So there are basically 5 kinds of visions in this universe. One is eye vision, that is only I am living in this universe. You see only yourself in this universe. I need to dress well, I have to have food, my day, my life, my. That is first kind of vision. That is very least kind of very most underrated kind of vision in the spiritual journey is eye vision. Having yourself in the center of the universe and everything else is secondary. That is eye-centered universe. That is your first vision, seeing yourself in the entire world. That is one very bad form of vision. If you have that vision, just come out of that if you want to spiritually grow. If you really want to grow spiritually, first thing you have to do is stop being I. Don't look at yourself first. Okay, this is the first vision. The second kind of vision people generally have is looking what others have. That is, someone else is having some car, you want to buy the car. You are always visualizing or seeing someone else and living your life. So that is also a very bad form of living life, seeing others. The second form of vision is seeing others. Most of the people in this society nowadays, because of increased social media usage like Facebook, Instagram, YouTubes and all, they want to project themselves out. They compare with others and live life in accordance with others to prove everyone that they are rich, to prove everyone that they are happy, to prove everyone that they are living the best life possible in this world. So they keep posting Instagram pictures and all, seeing others in their life. That is the second kind of worst vision you can have. The second worst vision is, first worst vision is seeing yourself. You want. Second is what others want and you want to satisfy that. That is a very bad form of living. That is second. Third vision, generally much better than first and second, but third vision is also equally bad. That is vision which we normally see is feelings of others. Because someone else is not happy, you wanted to sacrifice, or seeing others' feelings. This is okay, but this is also a bad way of living. To make someone else feel happy, you live life. You always search for that. Someone else is not happy, your mother is not happy, your father is not happy, your kids are not happy. So you keep on living on others' feelings. Your vision is always searching for someone else's feelings. The third vision is good, but that is not absolutely needed, right? So the third kind of vision is seeing others' feelings. So you are living for someone else's feelings. So don't do that. There is a third kind of vision, and you should not have such kind of vision where you are always constantly waiting for someone else to be happy because of you, someone else to be feeling good about you, someone else to be feeling better when they talk to you. No, do not get into this trap. No one will ever be totally happy with you. You are always living on their feelings. If you wear nice dress and go, if someone says your dress is not good, because they felt that your dress is not good, you feel sad. So you are living on someone else's feelings. Your vision is always on someone else's feeling. How will they feel? How will they feel? How will they feel? The feelings of others, very bad. Don't get into this trap. The fourth kind of feeling is feeling the perspective of others. This is much better, higher way of living. You are living someone else's, you are visualizing, or you are having that vision of experiencing someone else's life and understanding everyone. This is very, very important, and this is a good way of living. This is the top second way of living, that is understanding someone else's perspective, being empathetical about someone. And if something goes wrong, you go into their shoes and see their perspective. That kind of vision if you have, you will really live your life much better than anyone else. Suppose you're fighting with your husband, fighting with your wife or your kids or in-laws and all, you see, go into their shoes, step into their perspective and see. Then you will realize that your perspective was wrong all these days, right? So this is very, very important. In fourth kind of perspective, that is seeing others life as your life, being empathetical, going into their shoes and understanding is a good way of living your life. Okay, so everyone always has a reason. So when someone does a mistake, you go into their shoes, see that it is okay to commit mistakes and you can forgive them easily. This is the fourth way of living. But the ultimate and the fifth way of having a vision is only I. The fourth, the Turiya. You are none other than the light which is showing you all this. You are like a torch, and that torch, if it is projecting onto bad people, you will see bad. If it is projecting onto good people, you will see good. If it is projecting onto food, you will see only food. If it is projecting on, so that light ball is you. You have to realize, you have to see yourself as a light ball. Whichever way the light ball goes, you are becoming that. Remember this, you are becoming your vision. Whatever you wanted to become, your vision will determine what you become. And you are none other than, you are not the body, you are not the mind, you are not that people call as soul. No, you are not all that. You are the light which is going in different directions, and wherever you send that light, you become that. So you should have that vision that you are a light source, you are an energy source, and wherever you're going, you are becoming that. So you should have the fifth, the Turiya vision, that is you are universally everywhere, and you are the I is everywhere, in everything, in every inch and atom of this universe. You are there. That is the I consciousness, not the first I which I said, that is seeing only yourself as a body. You should see yourself as that I which is present in everything and anything in this universe, and it is like an energy ball which goes into different directions, and whichever direction you send, you become that. Remember this, and try to follow the fifth I, or the fifth vision, that is seeing yourself, visualizing yourself as everything and anything in this universe, so that you can establish anything you want, you can achieve anything you want, you can succeed in anything you want, just by seeing you as a universal ingredient, and you are universal power. Okay, and how do you do that? It is very, very simple, and you just have to understand it. So I hope you will build up that I consciousness as universally present, and improve your vision, so that you don't stay in the lower grade levels where you see yourself, or you see your friends or your colleagues or your enemies around you. You don't see others' feelings as a priority. You don't see others' perspective also. That can be good, but you don't become that, always having that others' perspective into your life. You have to become a universally conscious soul, so that you achieve whatever you want to achieve. Remember this, and hope you understood what I said. And in case you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section. I am happy to answer you. And please subscribe to VSP Theneti channel, and I'll see you in the next video.
Mitraya Namaha. Welcome to Energy Circle's VSP Theneti channel. Thank you for the amazing response. Please do not forget to pass it on and subscribe. Thank you very much. Aditya Sakshi, Sampurna Raksha.